Vocabulary. List of human sounds. Vocabulary related to sounds of humans. Burp. Also belch. To expel gas noisily from the stomach through the mouth. The baby burped after being fed. Cough. To push air from the lungs in a quick, noisy explosion. He started to cough once he had a cold. Hum. To make a sound from the vocal cords without pronouncing any real words, with one's lips closed. They were humming happily along with the music. Hiccup. The involuntary sound resulting from a spasm of the diaphragm. He got the hiccups as soon as he started eating. Groan. A low, mournful sound uttered in pain or grief, or uttered in frustration or disapproval. She groaned when her mother asked her to do the shopping. Jiggle. To laugh gently or in a high pitched voice. To laugh in a silly or giddy way. The jokes had them jiggling like little girls all evening. Laugh. To express mirth, satisfaction, or derision by peculiar movement of the muscles of the mouth, usually accompanied by the emission of explosive or chuckling sounds from the chest and throat. They were told a joke and were laughing. Pant. A quick breathing, a catching of breath, a gasp. When he arrived, he was panting because he ran all the way to school. Puff. A sharp exhalation of a small amount of breath through the mouth. Scream. A loud, emphatic exclamation of extreme emotion, usually horror, fear, excitement. She screamed when she saw the mouse in the kitchen. Sniff. To make a short, audible inhalation through the nose, as if to smell something. The dog sniffed around the park, searching for a nice scent. Sneeze. To expel air as a reflex induced by an irritation in the nose. When you sneeze, people say, "God bless you." Snore. To breathe during sleep with harsh, snorting noises caused by vibration of the soft palate. He sometimes snores, and when he snores, you can't stand the sound. Sigh. A deep and prolonged audible inspiration or respiration of air, as when fatigued, frustrated, grieved, or relieved. The act of sighing. She sighed when she finally found her keys. Slurp. A loud, sucking noise made in eating or drinking. Yawn. To open the mouth widely and take a long, rather deep breath, often because one is tired and sometimes accompanied by pendiculation. I could see my students yawning, so I knew the lesson was boring. Whisper. The act of speaking in a quiet voice, especially without vibration of the vocal cords. They were whispering when the professor started his lecture.